Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about developing programs in C, part of programming in C course. Developing programs in C involves several steps, including writing the code. This is the first step in developing a C program. The code is written using a text editor such as a notepad or Sublime Text. The code must be written in the correct syntax and should follow the rules of C language. Compiling the code. Once the code is written, it must be translated into machine code that the computer can understand. This is done using a C compiler such as GCC or Visual C++. The compiler converts the source code into an executable file, which is a binary file that can be run on a computer. Linking the code. In C, a program is usually made up of multiple source files that are linked together to create a single executable. Linking is the process of combining all the object files into a single executable file. This is done using a linker, which is a program that links the object files together. Running the program. Once the program has been compiled and linked, it can be run on a computer. The program is run by executing the executable file that was created during the compilation and linking process. Debugging the code. As you develop a program, it is common to encounter bugs or errors. Debugging is a process of finding and fixing these errors. There are several tools available for debugging C programs such as GDB or Visual Studio Debugger. Maintaining the code. Once the program is running correctly, it is important to maintain the code by making updates, fixing bugs, and optimizing performance. This is an ongoing process that is an essential part of developing a program in C. It is important to note that C programming is usually done in a command line interface. But nowadays, many integrated development environments or IDEs are available that allow you to write, debug, and run C programs in a more user-friendly environment. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.